Hi, my name is Hector Castillo. I am a team captain of Team 3481, the Bronc Botz. So I started robotics when I entered middle school. My school had an FLL team that I joined, and I got really excited about that. And then I was invited to join this FRC team, and I just loved it when I got there. It was so cool. The whole robotics theme, the whole competition. It just really got me interested, and I've stuck with it ever since. I started off in FLL, and that was really cool because I could really manipulate that kind of design into the small Lego parts and really use my creativity to construct those robots and program them. And then when I moved up to FRC, it was a totally different game. I started off learning, just kind of watching on the side, looking over the shoulders of the older kids. And then as they started to graduate, I took on more responsibility, and I was able to use the skills that I had learned the previous years and use them towards building the robots that we build today. So when I started, I didn't really know what I wanted to do on the team. I kind of had an idea that I wanted to be a part of the mechanical team. So I kind of started watching the older kids as they would assemble the robot and watch our mentors as they would design on the CAD software on the computer. And then I kind of started learning on my own. I started watching, seeing what others did, and then started implementing that on my own. And then now as a captain of the team, I'm able to use those skills to benefit our entire team as we work towards this challenge. Gracious professionalism, to me, that means we want to be competitive with other teams, but we also want to kind of help them out. So one way that I do that on this team is that we bring in other teams to our shop, teams that need a bit extra help, and I'd actually work with those teams to help them solve problems, help them figure out different solutions for their robots. So on our FRC team, we've had a few mentors throughout the years, some mechanical and software mentors. We don't have as many mentors as some other teams, so we've actually had to step up and kind of learn and lead the whole mentorship for design and software. And what that means is that some of our alumni, team members of the team who have already graduated and are now in college, they come back and they help us with mechanical, with software. And us as team captains also, we teach the younger kids how to, what the proper way to use certain tools, the proper way to design something on the computer, and we help them develop that skills. So when we leave, we know that our team is in good hands. So recently, I was accepted to MIT and Caltech, which is very exciting. I definitely have a big decision to make, and FRC and FIRST as a whole has definitely helped me achieve that. It's definitely kind of opened my eyes into the world of engineering, into the world of science and technology, and kind of taken my interests as they were before I entered robotics and shaped them towards something that I can actually put into my life and a nice set of goals to work towards. I would start off by saying that you really don't know what you're getting yourself into, right? It's robotics. It seems cool. It's a lot of work, but I promise you that it's all worth it. All the skills you're gonna end up taking out of it, all of the friendships you're gonna make while doing with it, all of the partnerships with your teammates, with other teams, it's all gonna be a fantastic experience.